Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do cutting and stitching of dhoti salwar, which is in very simple and easy method. So for that you will require 2.5 meter fabric. So this is the fabric, which is 2.5 meters. This is the full length of the fabric. First of all, you have to fold your fabric like this, means you have to fold your fabric lengthwise. So I have folded my fabric lengthwise and my fabric remain half. Next, you have to fold your fabric in triangle shape. That is, you have to fold your fabric like this. So this is the folding of the fabric for dhoti salwar. Now after folding the fabric, this is the corner of your fabric from where you have to mark the point of leg opening. So I am marking the point of leg opening here, which is of 5 inches. At 90-degree angle, mark a point. You can also use the L scale. So this is the point of leg opening, which is 5 inches. So from this point I will mark the length point, which is 33 inches excluding the belt. I am not including the belt measurement in my length. So this is the point of my length, which is 33 inches. Now from this side I will mark the crotch area. This is the side which is on fold, and this is the side which is not on fold. Here I will mark the crotch area. So this is the point of length. I will mark the crotch area of 9 inches. So this is the crotch area of 9 inches. And now make a straight line of 2.5 inches. So from crotch area I have marked the line of 2.5 inches and join this line to the bottom of your fabric. Now make a curve over here. So now after making the curve, this is my crotch area and this is my length point, and on bottom, and this is the leg opening point. Now I will cut down my fabric. So before cutting, you have to mark the seam allowances of 0.5 inches. Like this is the leg opening, I will mark a seam allowance of 0.5 inches over here, and this is my crotch area. I will also mark a seam allowances of 0.5 inches over here. So after marking the seam allowance, you have to cut down your fabric according to the marking. So after cutting, this is the upper side of your dhoti salwar. This is the side of crotch on which you can see two fabrics are open, and this is on fold. We have to cut the fabric from center. So now after cutting the fabric from center, this is 4-layer fabric. So this is the crotch area and this is the area, corner area, where I will apply a cut of 1 to 1.5 inches down for stitching. So I have applied a cut over here. Now I will do the stitching of salwar. First of all, this is the cut I have applied. Now I will stitch it like this. You have to mark a straight line over here for stitching. So now after this stitch on both the legs of the salwar, now I will apply a stitch on bottom of my salwar, that is leg opening. So this is the leg opening of my salwar, where I will double fold my fabric like this and apply a stitch for finishing. As you can see, I have double folded my fabric and now I will apply a stitch on both the legs of my salwar. So now after leg opening stitch, I will cut down my belt for the salwar. So this is the belt which I am going to use. The measurement is length 5 inches and width is your round hip plus 3 to 4 inches extra. So this is 42 inches. Now I am going to make a caging for elastic. I am using this elastic. You can use any type of elastic or string. Now for caging, double fold like this. Double fold like this so that it is easy to insert the elastic over here. So this is the caging where I will insert the elastic. The elastic measurement should be your round waist minus 3 to 4 inches. So the elastic measurement is 26 inches. Now I will insert the elastic. Now stitch the ends including elastic like this. Now my belt is ready. Now we will put the pleats on the salwar. So this is the one leg of my salwar. Now this is the part from which I have cut down and then stitched it. Now I will put the pleats on this part and this part. I will put pleats of this side towards this side. Your pleats length and width should be same. Now after these pleats, measure the area. This should be 1/4 of your belt. My belt is 43 inches. 1/4 of my belt is 10 point something. So it should be like this is 13. So I will put more pleats. So after pleats, the measurement should be 1/4 of your belt. So this is 10.5 inches plus half inch extra for the crotch marking. And now do the same thing on this side. So these are the pleats of my salwar. So this length, total length is your half of this round belt. Means this is your half of round belt and this should be equal to this. So these are the pleats. Now with the same process, put the pleats on second leg. This is our second leg, and now put the pleats on it also, and it should look like this. Same, the pleats should be same, the measurements and the length, width of the pleats should be same. So these are the pleats of both the legs. Now I will stitch the crotch area, that is by joining these two parts. Apply a stitch like here and on second crotch. Apply a stitch like this. So now after stitching the crotch part, I have stitched both crotches. Now I will stitch the legs. So now after stitching the leg parts, last point is left, that is to attach the belt. So this is the salwar, and now I will attach the belt. So this is my belt. This is the right side of my salwar and this is the wrong side of my belt. This is the center part of belt and center part of salwar. Join this like this and stitch here all over the salwar. So after stitching, suppose you have stitched like this, your belt will look like this. So cutting and stitching is completed. After all the processes, my salwar will look like this. This is very easy and simple method to stitch dhoti salwar. Hope you all understand this video. Thank you.